Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Aupoko GQ4-53T keyless entry remote key fob, a must-have for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 owners from 2013 to 2018. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk compatibility. This remote key is a perfect fit for those specific Dodge Ram models mentioned earlier. It's got all the necessary buttons and functions you need for seamless operation. Now, onto the part numbers. It's Aupoko GQ4-53T, with various part numbers like 560-46953, 560-46953AE, 560-46953AC, 560-46953AG, 560-46953A, 560-46953AB, 560-46953AF, and 560-46953AD. So, you've got options covered. Quality-wise, this key fob is top-notch. Constructed with high-quality ABS material, it's durable and built to last. Plus, it's easy to use, which is always a plus in my book. One thing to note though, is that this key will need to be programmed by a dealership or a qualified automotive locksmith. So, keep that in mind when making your purchase. And let's not forget about the warranty. Aupoko offers a solid 1-year warranty with this remote key, providing peace of mind in case any issues arise. Overall, if you're in need of a replacement key fob for your Dodge Ram, the Aupoko GQ4-53T keyless entry remote key fob is definitely worth considering. It's reliable, well-made, and backed by a warranty. Can't ask for much more than that. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.